Welcome to Truehost Academy, your go-to source for the best digital marketing tips and tricks. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful platforms for online business growth, Instagram. With over 1 billion active users, Instagram is not just about pictures anymore. It's an e-commerce giant waiting to help your business soar. So how do you make the most of it? Let's get into it. Step 1. Understanding the Instagram landscape. Instagram isn't just a place for sharing selfies or food photos. It's a marketplace. With over 2 billion active users globally, most of whom are under 45, it's especially great for businesses targeting millennials and Gen Z. Plus, Instagram's features like shoppable posts and stories let users buy directly from the app. Pretty cool, right? Imagine your products tagged in a post, ready to be purchased by eager customers without them even leaving the app. If your audience is younger, Instagram is the perfect place to grow your business. Step 2. Optimize your Instagram profile. Your Instagram profile is the first impression potential customers will have of your business, so make it count. Start with an engaging bio. Keep it short but powerful, telling visitors exactly what your brand is about. And don't forget, your profile picture should be your logo to keep things consistent. One more thing, that link in your bio, use it wisely. Since Instagram doesn't allow clickable links in posts, this is your golden opportunity to direct people straight to your website or a featured product. Step 3. Create high-quality visual content. Instagram is a visual platform, so your content needs to stand out. Use high-quality images and videos that really showcase your products. Want more engagement? Try posting short videos of your products in action or feature customer reviews. And remember, consistency is key. Sticking to a cohesive color palette will make your profile look more professional and appealing. Step 4. Leverage user-generated content. What's better than promoting your products? Letting your customers do it for you. User-generated content, or UGC, builds trust and community around your brand. Encourage customers to share their experiences with your products using a unique hashtag and then share their content on your own profile. Not only does this show authenticity, but it also encourages more followers to get involved. Step 5. Engage with stories and reels. Instagram stories and reels are a must. Use stories to promote behind-the-scenes content, special promotions, or product launches. They disappear after 24 hours. Creating a sense of urgency. And don't sleep on Reels. They're short, fun videos that get massive reach thanks to Instagram's algorithm. Add some music or trending audio and watch your engagement skyrocket. Step 6. Implement influencer marketing. Influencers can bring your brand to new audiences, but the trick is to collaborate with influencers who truly resonate with your target market. Micro-influencers who have smaller but loyal followings often bring higher engagement rates. Remember to track the results of these partnerships. Measuring things like traffic and sales will help you understand your return on investment. Step 7. Use Instagram shopping features. Instagram shopping allows users to buy straight from your profile. Create shoppable posts by tagging your products directly in photos and stories, so followers can instantly click through and purchase. It's simple, it's effective, and businesses using these features see an average of 37% more sales. Step 8. Run promotions and giveaways. Everyone loves a good giveaway. Host contests that encourage followers to engage with your brand by tagging friends, liking posts, or following your account for a chance to win. This not only increases visibility, but can turn new followers into loyal customers. Step 9. Analyze performance and adjust. Finally, always analyze your performance. Instagram's insights provide valuable data on what's working and what's not. Pay attention to engagement, reach, and clicks to your website. These insights help you fine-tune your content and strategies so your business continues to grow. In conclusion, using Instagram for business growth is a powerful strategy that can significantly boost your online presence. Start by understanding the platform and optimizing your profile for the best first impression. High-quality visual content is essential, and leveraging user-generated content builds trust with your audience. Engage actively through stories, reels, and influencer collaborations to increase reach. Take advantage of Instagram's shopping features and run promotions to drive sales. Lastly, continuously analyze your performance to refine your strategy and keep growing your business. Thanks for watching Truehost Academy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on growing your online business. See you in the next video.